For over a decade, Nvidia was the only choice for building AI systems. Their high-performance GPUs and proprietary CUDA software set an industry standard that was almost impossible to escape. But that era is coming to an end. Google is making a major play to break the CUDA lock-in with TorchTPU, a project that makes its custom chips seamlessly compatible with PyTorch. In this video, I'll explain how this could end Nvidia's hardware empire and what it means for their massive valuation. Nvidia's decade-long dominance wasn't just built on powerful hardware. The real key to their empire is the software lock-in that forces everyone into their ecosystem. That lock-in is called CUDA. Now, to understand the problem, you first need to know about PyTorch. It's the world's most popular AI framework, the software that the vast majority of developers and tech companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Meta use to build their AI models. While PyTorch is the dominant framework, Nvidia's CUDA is the real execution engine. PyTorch code doesn't run directly on GPUs, it runs on CUDA. And since CUDA only works on Nvidia GPUs, the choice of PyTorch translates into a choice of Nvidia. This created massive friction for anyone wanting to use alternative hardware like Google's TPUs. While these chips offer much higher performance for a fraction of the cost, they forced a difficult choice: abandon the popular PyTorch framework or use Google's own JAX software, which almost nobody outside of Google uses. But that changes with TorchTPU. This initiative, a collaboration with Meta, aims to eliminate this barrier entirely. It will allow developers to run PyTorch code on Google's chips with minimal changes, directly attacking the software advantage that has protected Nvidia for so long. This move is part of a broader industry-wide movement. A coalition of tech giants, including Google, Intel, Samsung, and ARM, has formed the Unified Acceleration Foundation, or UXL. The foundation's goal is to create an open-source, universal standard for AI code, letting developers write once and run on any hardware, be it a Google TPU, an AMD GPU, or an Intel chip. And this software movement is enabling serious hardware competition. AMD's Instinct MI300X chip is now a viable high-end competitor to Nvidia's GPUs, and major companies are buying them. We are witnessing a fundamental shift in how AI systems are built, and it will impact the entire tech industry. By the way, if you're finding this video useful, hitting that subscribe button really helps support the channel and ensures you don't miss out on future videos. This threat to Nvidia dominance is real. One of Nvidia's bigger customers is Meta. Meta, the original creator and primary supporter of PyTorch, is collaborating with Google on the TorchTPU initiative. Originally developed by Facebook AI Research in 2016, Meta is now leveraging the framework's open-source ecosystem to help Google eliminate CUDA's dominance and lessen the industry's collective dependence on Nvidia. At the same time, Meta is also becoming a massive customer for AMD's new MI300X AI chips, deploying them to run its Llama family of models. This sends a clear signal. The days of single-supplier dependency are over. Meta isn't alone. Microsoft is now using AMD's MI300X chips to power parts of its Azure cloud and even some of its OpenAI services. Meanwhile, other major AI players, like Anthropic, has made deep commitments to use Google's TPUs and Amazon's custom AI chips. When the biggest customers in the market actively pursue diversification and invest in alternative hardware, it's because something is changing. Let's be clear, this is not the end of Nvidia. Their technology is incredible, and they will absolutely remain a titan of the industry. But this is the end of their unchallenged market dominance. The era of a single, dominant power in AI is closing. The rise of more open software, from initiatives like TorchTPU and the UXL Foundation, the viability of AMD's hardware, and the strategic hardware diversification by major players like Meta and Microsoft, all point to a new, more competitive landscape for AI. In this world, developers will finally be free to choose the best tool for the job, based on performance and cost, not because they are limited by a proprietary ecosystem. This competition is going to spark faster innovation and lower costs for everyone. By breaking the software barriers that once locked developers into a single provider, we're entering a new era of hardware diversity. This forced shift will drive a massive wave of efficiency across the industry, challenging monopolies and giving creators more power than ever. This shift is here, and the AI hardware market will never be the same. But now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the future of Nvidia and its valuation? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.